Welcome to Brockers. This is GoodEarthClays.com and I'll be walking you through our website. At the very top of our website, it has the different categories of our inventory listed as well as the subcategories per type of item. The homepage of GoodEarthClays.com will also always have our deals and current specials front and center. We like to have the variety listed at the very top so you can see what's new, what's on sale, what's discounted, and what seasonal specials we might have going on. Our website is a resource to all shoppers who come to visit. We have all of our upcoming events listed available on our website to keep up with the fun. Outside of our events listings, you can scroll down and see further resources available for all shoppers. We have resources and info, which is a section that has hot links specifically to certain categories, and below that we have our Tech Tuesday articles, which are educational articles related to ceramics and pottery. Our website is full of information to make it as accessible as possible and help educate shoppers as they move forward. At the very bottom of our website, we have the About Us, Place an Order, Services, and Customer Service category. These are all hot links to articles that will help you stay informed as you shop and access us to assist you if need be. Our customer service hotline and mail are always available for questions, concerns, or help getting orders placed. Once you're ready to start shopping, you can click into the search bar if you need to look for something specific. You can also use the categories listed above at the very top or the bottom, but I like to search for what I'm looking for specifically. My example was Amico's Potter's Choice line, which is a line of their glazes. This took me to all the results on our website that are correlated to Amico's Potter's Choice. Once you click into the item, you can review its different features. We have a bunch of different product images per item that example its different characteristics to keep you informed as a shopper. Below, you can scroll down to read the full description about the item, any resources, and similar products that you might also be interested in. The next steps can be done before you start adding items to your cart or after. In today's example, I'll be showing you after I'm adding items to my cart. Now that I've added the glaze, I'm going to go ahead and log in to the Brockers website. I can sign in by using my email, which will be nora@brockers.com. I can add my password now, or if I click sign in, it will send me a code to log in that will go directly to my email. Once I've logged into my Brockers account, I can continue to shop on the website. As you can see, the login process did not remove what was already in my cart, and I can continue shopping from here. If I want to look for something else, such as clay, I can search it in the search bar, or I can go to the category bar and search clay by the type, clay by popular use, clay from the mine, other bulk materials, or shop specifically by the brand I'm looking for. As you can see, our toolbar is set up to do this for every different type of item in our inventory. To keep it super simple, I can simply click clay and slip and it'll bring me to the home page for these specific items. Once I'm in this home page for the clay and slip items, I can browse through the different products available and click into specific ones to see the item details. This one is our Pyrite Freckle by Kansas Clays. It has the full description, including a review on the workability and the type of clay body that it is, as well as a background of the clay body specifically. If you scroll down further, we'll have our references available as well, and this will include the brand, it will have our safety data sheet, the most often used for this specific clay, texture, color, and specifically the firing range. Once reviewing this information, I can make my decision as to the quantity in which I'd like to purchase. For today, hypothetically, I'll be going with the 50-pound box of the Pyrite Freckle, and I can add it to my cart directly from the item. If there's anything else I'm looking for, I can simply return to the home page and continue shopping from there. Such as a brush to be added to go with my glaze and my clay, I'll click into the Amico Fitch Fan brush and select the size that I'm looking for. Today I'll go with the number 6 and add it to my cart. Now that I've added the items that I'm looking for, I can review my cart and see what I may also like as the recommended list below. To fully see all the details, I'll click View My Cart. Here we have listed important information about any kind of order. The click here links are hot links, so if you click into them, it'll take you specifically to articles that disclose our process and protocol for the different categories we have available. There's order pickup, We also have shipments, our delivery, and schools with POs. This portion of the checkout process isolates just the items you've selected into your cart. As you can see here, the discount on my brush is automated and I can confirm that it was part of the sale. Beyond that, I can review the other items in my cart and the quantities in which I want to purchase them at. If you scroll a little bit below this, there's a special instructions for the seller section. Here is where you can add any notes for us to see as we process your order. To example the special instructions, I'm adding a note that this is for the tutorial video I'm making. This can be used if you're needing a lockbox or any special notes that you'd like us to see. For tax-exempt customers, we do have a note provided and a hot link for additional information to be added there. We also have a bar to add in your gift card or discount code if applicable. Continuing into the checkout, it'll take you to a brand new page to review all of your information. For today's example, I'll be leaving this order as Pickup in Store, and that store location will be listed below under BGEC for Brockers Good Earth Clays. After reviewing your cart and items, if you're not seeing the method that you're looking for, you can click Don't See the Delivery/Shipping/Pickup option you need. This will give you the additional information if you're not seeing what you're looking for. However, if you're all set, you can hit Pay Now and check out.